This is Annie from Pierre Le Secrétaire. I'm just going to do a quick demonstration on the Corona 4 typewriter. Just to show really that it types and that it's in working order. So that's it, just typing standard, and then you can put the caps lock on. It's got this very quirky, old-fashioned typing style here, so I'll just show you what it looks like. There, that's the... And that's the type there for the lovely pink Corona typewriter. Oh, and it comes in this wooden box as well. It's its original case, so I'll show you that. I've also got some nice purple typewriter and an Underwood typewriter, which I will be showing you about at another time. Okay, thank you very much for looking. Bye.